Hello, I'm in a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So from here we can do a few options to get there, but we'll start with the phone. No phone connected. You want to pair? Yes. Now start the pairing procedure. So on your phone, make sure your Bluetooth's on. Often if you push and hold the Bluetooth, it'll pull up your pairing menu. So here we're going to look for a device called Uconnect. So it's right there. Sometimes this takes a few minutes or a few tries, and then this is if you want to sync up your contacts and all that. But these random numbers, they do match what it says on the display. So we'll hit pair, and then we'll also confirm yes on your display. And then now, just in a moment, we should be all paired up, and then it'll try to confirm if you want to make it your favorite, so that way it's going to try to auto connect to your phone every time you start the vehicle, which I don't need to for this. And then same thing, asking you want to sync up messages just to make it easier for taking those down while you are driving. But that's it. Yep, now we can take calls, listen to music. Especially newer models, you can sync up your maps and navigation as well. But under media, here, this Bluetooth function, that should be your phone now. And if you're having issues with this working, make sure you're actually playing on your phone, make sure the volume's on your phone, and also make sure the volume's on your display. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.